Welcome to the world of knowledge. Today we will learn English and Spanish words that you can use every day.
Hello.
Hola,
Hi.
hola,
Good morning.
buenos días,
Good afternoon.
buenas tardes,
Good evening.
buenas noches.
How are you?
¿Cómo estás?
How are you doing?
¿Cómo te va?
What's up?
¿Qué tal?
Nice to meet you.
Mucho gusto.
Welcome.
Bienvenido. Bienvenida.
Goodbye.
Adiós.
Bye.
Chao.
See you later.
Hasta luego.
See you tomorrow.
Hasta mañana.
See you soon.
Hasta pronto.
Take care.
Cuídate.
Good night.
Buenas noches.
Have a good day.
Que tengas un buen día.
Have a nice weekend.
Que tengas un buen fin de semana.
Talk to you later.
Hablamos luego.
Great job! Now you know useful words in English and Spanish. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.